Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to bring text in front of image in Affinity Publisher. Let's get started. At first, we have to open Affinity Publisher document. Now we want to bring text front of image. Firstly, go to a blank page. Then go to the Tools section and select the Place tool. Then choose picture from our file. Now I am select the picture. Then click open and wait some moment. Then place the picture to this page. Now we want to add text or insert text. Bring font of this image. Go back again the tools section and select the frame text tool and draw a text frame over the picture. Then write anything to this text frame. Now I am paste some text. You can change the text color. Select the text and select the font color option. You can increase the size, or otherwise you can add more style. Now I am applying the bold style. Then select the move tool. Then go to the layer section and press shift on our keyboard to select this multiple layer. Then click right button on our mouse and make it group. Now we can see we bring text of image in front of image very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.